To add custom font in PowerPoint, what you have to do. Okay, I have here this font, and there's a font that I can't find here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to font.google.com, and here I'm gonna look for a font that I like, and there's so many here available. Look, this one looks really nice, and I can click on download family here, but I'm gonna look for a different one. Here you can select the language. You can select technology, decorative, handwriting. So you have a couple of options here. And now I'm gonna select this one, download family. Now to install the font, just double click and click on install. And now you just have to restart this presentation. Okay, I restarted PowerPoint, and now if I click here and if I write this font, so okay, this is the font, and now I have the font here. Now when you actually you can have this font and you share this presentation. So when you share this presentation with others, so make sure they have the same font. What you have to do, and now here when you save as a copy, you can click on browse, and now here save PowerPoint presentation, but here in tools click on save options, and now here make sure you enable embed fonts in the file. Embed all characters best for editing by the other people. So now you can click on save, and that's what you have to do. I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.